Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using Xcards for beginners in 2024. So today we're going to learn how to use Xcards. Of course, first of all, Xcards is a powerful e-commerce platform that will help you build and manage your online store with ease. So if you're looking for the steps of start using Xcards, make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you will need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to this URL section. Make sure to simply go and type Xcards and hit the enter button. Once you do so, make sure to go to this first link, which is xcard.com. Make sure it's not a sponsor or an ad and click on it. Once you do so, you will find yourself here in the home screen or main screen right away. So basically, we'll need to in order to start using Xcards, we'll need to download the Xcards page and download, of course, the latest version, upload the package in your web server, access the installation wizard through any web browser that you want, and follow the instructions to complete the installation. But first, if you don't know nothing about Xcards, of course, you can simply just scroll down here in the home screen and read some informations about some examples here. Anywhere, sell anywhere, scale fast, succeeded. Xcards is an e-commerce platform. It's agile and scalable, will help hundreds of business scales with and thrive, of course, for the long term. So, of course, here you can click on learn more, and you can first of all schedule a demo to try it out before even you go and start using it. So, example, leave your contact details and reach out to you to set up a personal demo as an example. So, basically, you'll have to fill up your information as example. You can just simply just go and do that. For me, as example, just fill up here some random informations, and I'll just go and I do something like that and then click on schedule a demo as an example. So as you can see, thanks you're booked. Our team will follow up shortly, either by email or phone, to schedule the dates and time for your Xcard demo. Meanwhile, you can learn as an example about Little Diode, double down on efficiency and increase revenue with Xcard. So you'll be able to read more about this example while they contact you. So as they said, they either will contact you in their email, depending on the email that you entered, or if they did not contact you here, they will contact you through your phone number that you entered. Other than that, of course, if you're interested to see the pricing, here is it. So as you can see, this is the pricing. Starts at $200 per month. But what you'll get unlimited scalability and product sales and marketing. You'll get built-in commerce features and tools. You will get also professional assistance moving your online business, your offline business online. You'll have access to the Xcard App Store, and you'll have access to the back end development. So as you can see, the Xcard platform pricing plans includes essential e-commerce functionality to start an online store of any size and the budget. The monthly price starts as $200 and cover all the features described on this page, except customization, no hidden or per transaction fees. So what do you get for $2,000 per month? Essential e-commerce functionality. So you'll get financial integration, native marketing tools, sales channels, sales tax automation, search navigation, UX, and maintenance and security. If you need all the details, you can simply pause the video and read it all by your own. So you can also here click on see all functionality. So as you can see, financial integrations, you'll be able to pay in PayPal or PayPal credits. For the checkout, as you can see, they offer 100 plus payments processors, so mobile checkout, digital wallets, custom checkouts, PCI DSS level 1 certified payments app, app saved credit card SERM, delayed payments, phone ordering, invoicing, fraud protection. They even provide some native marketing tools features. As you can see, a lot of features here. Some design features like mobile readiness, so friendly design, H3 design templates, custom CSS and GS, visual editor mode, some advertising tools like Facebook and Instagram, Google Shopping advertising, journal, products feed support, sales channel like online store, buy button widgets, Google Shopping, Facebook and Instagram, eBay Motors, some admin tools features. As you can see, a lot of features here. Some accounting integrations like QuickBooks as an example, Zoho Flow, and the membership as an example. some taxes of the self-managed and tax automation, some shipping integrations, also search and navigation UX, as you can see, in maintenance and security. So as you can see, everything you'll be able to read it here by your own. So if you go to the pricing, also as you can see, they have one plan, so you would not be able to go through it. And for the services that you have, as you can see, they have all those services here depending on whatever you want. Here you'll be able to have access to a lot of their resources, and even the blog if you want to access that, also to read out some information. So as you can see, this is for platform. If you want to go for automotive as an example, you'll be able to book a demo for that specific thing also as an example on automotive. So they have its own features, some partners integrations, the support, about, and also pricing. Let's see if difference. Yeah, as you can see, it's a difference. It's $500 per month. You'll get a year, make, model, engine, trim, my garage, industry integration, complex catalog, automotive design, automated like order fulfillment. If you go here, scroll down, click on view all functionalities, you'll be able to read all the functionalities that you want. It's normally going to be the same as the platform, but it's probably is going to be more advanced depending on whatever you want as an example. So you can choose from platform to automotive, whatever suits your needs to get the X cards. And as I said, once you book the demo, of course, you'll be able to try it out for a short period of time. And if you like it, you'll have to start paying the plan. Either you choose the automotive or the platform. And of course, once you start paying, they'll give you some installation like files. You'll have to install them, as we said, upload the package to your server, go through the installation wizard through your web browser, follow the instructions to complete the installation. Then you'll be able to initiate the setup and dashboard overview, add your product to your store, whatever store you're creating, set up some payments methods, configuring some shipping options using the add-ons that they have, customized like the store designs. You'll be able also to manage orders. You'll be able to set up some SEO as an example, because it's very, very important to show your store like in the first of Google. You can add whatever add-ons they provide. You can also, like, once you finish editing everything, customizing anything, publish your store. You'll be able to review all the settings and product listed, ensure everything is ready in for published, and you can make your store live by clicking on publish on your store, and you should normally be good to go. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.